How to use FBD Home Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. FBD Home Insurance is a trusted choice in Ireland, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or overpaying. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction and repair costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing your belongings. Always check that your policy reflects the full replacement value, especially if you've made renovations or added valuable items. Neglecting liability coverage is another frequent error. FBD policies include personal liability protection, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbour's home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Moving, renovating, or acquiring new valuable items can change your coverage needs. Not notifying FBD may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss out on available discounts. FBD offers savings for bundling home and car insurance, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximise FBD Home Insurance Ireland. Ensure your coverage reflects your home's current value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.